day 2 of tearing down the haunt and taking a big chunk out of the bridge so we can start storing the things here while we take down the walls. Time to rip down the forest. In addition to everything else that's fun about breaking down, I think this part's satisfying is ripping off the duct tape that protects people from our...
I got a duct tape ball.
Duct tape ball!
And like...
Post-haunt ASMR. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Do not try this at home.
Do not try at home. I'm doing this because I'm an idiot.
Don't try this anywhere. It's called all natural recycling. Okay, don't lose your head, y'all. Nah, just kidding. Okay, it is dark out here. You can tell how dark it is. You can't see a thing. Yay. Well, we got a lot done. They are fun toys, aren't they? Ah, you can see in here at least. Okay, the roof is not on fire. No, it is gone. So there's a little bit of light in here. Obviously, we're done working for the day because apparently the sun goes down at 4:30 and it's dark, or at least too dark to safely work at 5:23. Exactly what Wonderground told me. But anyhow, we have all this getting ready to take off. Just I was monopolizing the ladder, which is right over there, so the top ones couldn't reach. There's our big pile of mess. Yay! That's almost all the bridge. There's one more pallet on the inside. Yeah, it's been a productive day, especially since we only have like an hour and a half to actually get all this crap done. So I think we did good in the time that we had. Hopefully we'll have a lot more time this weekend. But when you have a limited hands, you do what you can. So we'll see y'all soon for more breakdown fun. Bye-bye.